Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to look at another platform, Facebook. Can't escape it, man. You got to be on Facebook these days. Surprisingly, a lot of contractors are on Facebook these days, as you know from a lot of the groups. And I think out of all the platforms, now you showed me some cool new stuff with Angie's List, with BBB today. This is the growing area, I think, for contractors to start to learn how to monetize, create leads and awareness for their companies using Facebook as a social media platform. So let's start with the public page, the basic thing. You got to have a public page, guys. You almost have to have a public page to launch a Facebook ad campaign. The average person spends 20 minutes a day on 20, 30 minutes a day on Facebook. It's a platform we can't ignore as entrepreneurs. And following your killer profile concept, you got to have a good cover showing your company and your team, your logo.
Absolutely.
What's some other things to get customers involved, to like your page?
Well, you have to, just like any other platform, you have to maximize it. You have to make sure you go to every tab, your business hours, your business description, nothing can be empty. So what your company is about, you post, your even name of your page matters. Make sure that everything is maximized.
So you want to have robust information and data about your company.
Yep. So you can actually list all your services, what you do. Like you can see here, I do roof repairs, I do emergency tarp covering. I put my prices that emergency tarp costs $650, roof repairs average $650, $1,500. You can do roof replacement from $5,000.
So you're actually listing your services in your public page.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And because you know me, I put my pictures, I put my description, everything. So now you come here.
A lot like the Angie's List offers and stuff like
but
that.
But it gives them an idea what do you guys do. So now people not going to ask you, oh, do they do repairs? Yeah, it's obvious. Do they do emergency service? Yes, they do.
So you're not just looking for that free roof, that one big roof from the insurance company paying for it. You're doing a little repairs to get the foot in the door.
Your customer's probably going to be on the Facebook. So I actually use Facebook for a lot of referral business. So for example, let's say I just finished your job and I fly my drone. This is one of the coolest things I've been doing for years. 5 years now since drones came out. So I would go fly a drone. I found you in your Facebook page, friend you, whatever. So now I fly my drone and make let's say 10 beautiful shots of the property. So you just paid me $15,000 to do your roof, right? Have nothing to show for it. Think about this. If I tag you on the pictures, you actually can show off your friends, hey, this is my job, look how cool it is. You can say, hey, I just did a great post. If you want to see the final pictures of your job, go ahead and like us and see the pictures. Now they can share it.
Now they can share with their friends.
Exactly.
There you go.
So now, they share in your post because they're proud.
Because they're proud of their roof.
Well, they spend $15,000.
Right.
They want to show off the investment. But if they share your stuff, who did it? I mean, think about it.
I like that. I like that idea.
Don't publish the same content all the time. You have to do 5 to 10 different posts.
Some have to be educational. They don't all have to be, hey, buy my product, here's my offer.
But here's
sometimes you do a nice article like here, this is an educational.
Absolutely.
Winter tune-up is a must.
But here's what we do. I recommend you do, come up with a schedule. You have to have a schedule. Let's say Monday you publish pictures or videos of your vehicles. Tuesday, employee. Wednesday, testimonial or review. Thursday, job in progress. Friday, completed job. Now, if I come to your Facebook page at any given day, scroll down just a little bit in 5 top posts because you're scheduled, right. I see entire picture of your company.
So Dmitry, let's create a real simple ad for a roofing contractor that's never created an ad before. And show them how cool it is where we can actually target a zip code, maybe an intermediate area where they know there's possible wind or hail damage, or maybe just an area where they know there's a lot of old roofs.
Sounds good.
So this is what page are we looking at here? This is
so Facebook. You have to go to your ads manager. One thing I don't recommend boost posts. They're not going to do a lot of good.
Off your public page, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they don't do a lot of great.
Yep. So what you want to do, you want to go directly to ads manager. It gives you quite a few options. You can bring traffic.
Boost posts are only going to the people that like your page.
Right? You can create audience there. You can still target it, but it's just not recommended. Yes.
Yeah. So you want to use the ads manager. So we got Medina, Minnesota, one of my old stomping grounds.
Yep.
Now it's showing us a reach of
940,000,
which isn't right. So we need to narrow this. We're going too far out.
Yep. So
we want to narrow that geographic image down to maybe 10 miles. That'll cover the whole city. It's not that big. We're targeting all those folks that live there in a 10-mile radius. Actually, you're just getting the city there, correct?
Yep.
That's just the city of Medina, which is even better. That's 7,600 people, 21 to 65 plus. And we're hoping to pop up on our Facebook news feeds, correct?
Yep.
And so let's take it a step farther. Where do we want to run our ad campaign?
So now you can do single image, single video. You can do slideshow.
Yeah, let's do that single image that we did earlier. That was,
Yep.
for the roof maintenance inspection.
This is-
$99 Cedar Shake inspection and maintenance offer.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
And then let's go. We got our audience defined. It's going to hit the city of Medina.
Yeah,
So you got to have a form page or a landing page for them to go to, guys. Otherwise, they just going to nowhere.
So second page, it's already set up. 39-point roof inspection, which you get a HAG certified inspector, factory certified contractor, OC preferred, flashing underlayment. So now they feel like they're getting value. So it's not just like $99 paid.
Right.
So you always want to over deliver in the value.
And then they're getting a quick connect lead form. Now, do they have to enter that?
Yep.
Or I know sometimes it pulls their information off Facebook.
It's up to you. This is what I do. Like, you can do either way. I like it like this because now you actually get their email, you get their phone number, everything. So they submit it.
All right, guys, just to wrap that up. So Facebook is a very powerful platform to monetize and win online, right? You need to have a public page for your company. I know a lot of you guys do. As Dmitry and I were talking earlier, there's two ways you can really boost your ads on Facebook. One is you can, very quickly post or boost your ad on your public page. Not very effective. Doesn't allow you to really hone down that audience variable. Mm-hmm. But understanding what's going on here in the Ads Manager, we did a very simple ad campaign. We didn't, we got to tweak that a little bit yet, but you guys understand the variables, how to set that audience. You can actually target gated communities. You can target small zip codes of high-end homes. You can target whole areas, whole zip codes and regions if you want, and really target down to the customer of your choice.
Here's what you don't do. I don't want to see tons of pictures with the selfies on the roofs that there's no message behind it. So wherever you publish on your page, you want to make sure it has some kind of value to the homeowners. The same job, let's say you're finishing great job. I don't want to see I'm the best, the best, the best. I want it to be about your homeowner. Let's say there's two ways to post on the Facebook about the same job. One, you can say how great you are in your company, and two, how good of the service you do. Number two, don't ask your other roofers to like your page. Like I get this inquiries all the time. What's good is gonna do to you and your business if 500 roofers in the country liked your page?
And you're marketing to your competition.
If you asking anybody, it should be your owners or your clients, past, future, their friends, but not your fellow roofers.
For your 5-star reviews.
Exactly. Your fake reviews. We know what you're doing. And also never, ever buy fake followers and likes. That's just gonna kill it.
It could kill your ad spend.
Well,
you get a lot of fake.
That for one, but there's also Facebook algorithms, because if you bought 5,000 followers and there's no engagement ever comes from them, guys, that's not good.
All right, guys, Facebook marketing can be complicated. It may seem daunting, but start one ad at a time and learn to explore how to monetize the Facebook platform. In the next chapter, we're going to talk about and explore drip campaigns. See you soon.